Hey, my people, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? So, I know we have just an update, guys. Just an update, quick. Just an update. Just an update. I'll update you guys now about Gali. Give me a second. Give me a second, traders. I'll give you guys an update about our Gali. I'll give you guys an update shortly about our Gali. Update on our Gali, guys. I'm gonna give you guys an update shortly, okay? Just give me a second. Just give me a second, traders. I'm gonna give you guys an update now. Yes, that's correct. 100%. I'm just also updating everyone here so that I can also just make the most of it right now. Let's go. Okay. It's okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. We'll start shortly. Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys doing well and super, super, super blessed. So, right, I know you guys are, waiting patiently for our Gali to come back, and be streaming. Unfortunately, it's out of his control. It wasn't in his control today, He's supposed to be here like around probably like 3 o'clock, right? He landed here 2 o'clock from Durban back into Joburg. However, Fly Safair, they did him a dirty and they kept him in the flight because there was something wrong or something like that. So they're waiting for the technical people to come, engineers or whatever it is, to come support or help them. However, so they had to stay in the flight. They couldn't leave the flight. So he couldn't leave the flight, and that's why he only left the flight, the aircraft now, literally as in now. So this again, let me just type, guys. Gali flight was delayed. We, I'm very sorry, guys. So again, however, we're a team, guys, and that's why I was like, you know what? I'll step in and support you guys. You know what I mean? So he apologized. He's in the chat. There we go. My apologies, guys. 100%. There we go. So he's apologizing. Let I can show you guys. His flight was supposed to be at. So he's supposed to come here at like 2 o'clock. You know what I mean? So we apologize. Truly apologize for it, traders. However, we like, you know what? Let's just check in. Let's make it happen. So, and that's what our team is about, right? We're here to support you guys and make sure that we consistent with our streams regardless of who it is. We're here to make sure we provide the value. However, again, guys, welcome back to the Margin Call. I'm your host, Shakil Samai, and I'm filling in for the one and only Gali, our guy, Marcellino, one of the best, greatest traders who I know as well. Very great trader. So respect to him. Let's just drop some Galis in the chat there for him. You know what I mean? Let's just maybe make his mood right because he was looking forward to streaming as well. So let's just drop some Galis in the chat. Only got to the airport now today good now, but you guys in good hands. Let's show the main Shack some love. I appreciate it, Marcellino. Let's drop some gullies in the chat for Marcy, guys. Let's drop some W's in the chat for Marcellino, even though he's like, he couldn't make it today. He was gonna make it, and then last minute he's like, yo, bruh, I really can't make it because again he only got out of the aircraft right now, Therese. You know what I mean? So all respects to him. All respect to him, guys. So let's just drop some W's for him, man. Let's drop some W's for Gali there. There we go. What's up, Shaq? I'm good, man. Can't complain. Can't complain. I'm happy to be here as well. Happy and grateful. Here we go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. We all know Shaq Attack about to milk Goldie. No stress, our Gali. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Shack Attack. Yep, I'm here back with the Shack Attack. Make it happen. Let's get it going, guys. So, again, let's start off with German 40 for all respects for Marcellino. I mean, Marcellino, please invite me. So let's do it on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see 40-minute time frame. Let's do this right here. Let's see what's happening. I mean, I'm doing this because of Marcellino. So let's see if it's anything. Marcellino would have gone with a trend line to the upside like that, right? Like, he doesn't trade trend lines, but he would say, okay, market is breaking a high right there. You can see that one there. So we're looking for a pullback, and there marking can go continuing higher. So if I pull up from here towards there, and you can see over there, that's the area. Let's see if there's a psychological number there in that area. Now 24,900. That is definitely to a psychological area. But if you do remember, I also want to go over some stuff for you guys, right? That can really do well for you guys. Okay. I think this can really help you guys as well. Um, Shout out to you. Let's see, 24,900, right? There we go. That's psychologically, that's an area we can look for a continuation from up to the upside. If you guys do remember DXY, I gave DXY out yesterday as well. Someone asked me to go with DXY, and I said, what will happen with DXY? And I said to you guys a simple thing. I pulled a trend line out, and you can see exactly market pulled up, retests from this area, and then from there we saw the market continue going for the buys. And that's why I said that simple thing you can see for the buys. However, looking at today with DXY, what's happening with DXY right now? Let's look at the 4 hour, see what's happening 4 hour. Okay, it's a continuation to upside. So that's a continuation upside. It's definitely falling. It's not, didn't come all the way. Did it come to that firm? No. Low. Didn't reach it, but pushed up. Should come back. But okay. Still buys. I still think Mark. Where's Marcellino? He couldn't make it. He was on his way, guys. He took a flight from Durban, and then in Durban, read the pin chat, guys. His flight was kind of like delayed, and so he couldn't make it for the stream, basically. Do you trade open range breakouts? I trade open range breakouts. Yes, I do also. Um, yeah, 100%. He does. So that is a gain. So I'm trying to also make sure, because I know you guys are like, some of you guys are from Marcy, right? So I'm also making sure that I accommodate for you for his style of trading, even though I'm not I don't trade how he trades, you know what I mean? But I'm trying my best. Here we can definitely see also market with Nasdaq high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Still a lower high though. This is a higher low and the market is a higher. Now market pulling back down. Can market continuing back up higher. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if there's anything on the 30-minute time frame for Nasdaq that we can say market can respect. Let's see from this one to that highs right there. Okay, now we can see market from this point for a continuation upside. So can market from here show us a buy to the upside? Right, there we go. And then that will be towards here. Right, that's what I'm looking for NAS 100. Again, looking just on NAS 100 from a 30-minute time 30-minute time frame perspective, we can see a simple structure, guys. It's very, very simple. You can see market rating highs, low high, here trying, right? But creates a new high, and now can this be a possible high and low? Okay. Good of the streak. Oh yeah. How does dollar correspond to nationally? So if dollar goes higher, right? If dollar goes higher, then that means that basically NAS and US 30 should continue going lower. If dollar goes lower, then that means that it's getting weaker. That means the NAS 100 and US 30 is getting stronger, and that's where it possibly can continue going higher. You see, where stuff one is not here, stuff one is not here. Stuff one is at home. Stuff one is at home, gents. Stuff one is at home. US 30. Let's get US 30. US 30, same 4 hour, let's check the 4 hour. Same structures, however, you can see already. What I'm picking up with US 30 is this is a range, man. This is a range. Perfect, gotcha. Thanks. It's a pleasure, Brandon. Let's see, this is a range right here. Okay. So what I can do is, if I do want to trade the New York session, I'm gonna have to go to a lower time frame and look is there anything there on the lower time frame, right? However, yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I can't just analyze like Marcellino time. I'm gonna try there with the one with Jim 40, but honestly speaking, I'm gonna just go straight into the way I analyze. Um, it's the best thing for me, right? So that's where I can make better decisions. Um, so here we go, gold. 30-minute time frame. I can see 30, we can see on the 30-minute time frame, right? Very clear structure, very Gali, the check carries itself from the morning. Any chance it will change direction for itself gets hit. All four on NAS. By right. It was tough one. Tough one is tough one. Remember, Marcellino was saying stuff one. So we just said stuff one, and then eventually someone's like tough one. So, but it's stuff one. Yeah, it's just stuff one. User stats, 100%. I want to go into my stats. I'm gonna use my strategy. I was trying to come with it because remember the thing is, it was planned for Marcellino to stream, right? So I'm assuming that some people on here following stuff one, Marcellino. So however, I'm gonna just explain to you guys what I think on the market using my strategy. Um, so I can just break it down much more easier. But good sir, how do we join a community group if there's one? A community group, honestly, the community group you can join is like you can join stuff one, or you can join Marcellino. Um, but if you're talking about Commit Capital's community, then you can join that via Discord, right? I'm gonna post the Discord out, guys. You're more than welcome to join via there. But Marcellino, he does have like one-ones, he does have like signals, and same with Safwan. Again, guys, if you want to see who do you want to join, then join the streams when they do streams, see how they trade. If you like it, then you want to learn from them, you can contact them, and reach out like, yo, I want to trade with you. They will also assist you guys. Me, I don't have a uh private trading community. I just like I trade for myself and manage, and I don't go too much. Just I mean, do business basically. Just do business, right? Um, may you please check for our 1 hour goal. 4 hour, yeah. Let's go. Zips, how are you, man? I'm blessed, bro. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. 4 hour gold. Definitely you can see this. Yeah, definitely. Um, Shaq, how do we learn from you? I just explained right now. I just explained. I don't. The best I would say, nah, if you guys want to, always a good session with Shaquille. Thank you so much. Is you're gonna learn from me when I do stream. Come on the stream. I promise you guys can ask me any questions. I'll go through it step by step with you guys, step by step. If you want to learn, I can even show you my strategy right now. I have a very simple strategy. One of the strategies I do use is simple like this. Check, this is what I use, right? I use market ranges. So when market ranges like this, why is this thing so big? Yeah, let's go through here. That is stuff one. Well, yo, bruh, stuff one likes to put the camera like this. This is stuff one. Stuff one wants the camera to look like this in his face. I don't know why. But let's go. Let me just explain to you guys, right? So this is how I trade the market, right? This is Shaquille's strategy. So I'm going to explain to you guys, explain exactly how I trade. This is my um my gold strat, right? This is my gold strat. Okay, my gold strat. Right? My gold strategy. Right, my gold strategy. Okay, guys. So I'll give it out to you guys. This is my gold strategy. Stuff one, half camera, half charts. Now, honestly, I don't know why. Like I don't know why he does it.
Why it takes seconds?
No, because he does this. And then he keeps the chart this side like here, like this. He uses it like that.
He wants you to see his beautiful face.
No, and then he takes my sunglasses and he does this. And he's like, okay. Actually, it's not bad to actually, but like no man.
No.
That's stuff one. That's stuff one, guys. We have stuff one, it's stuff one. But anyway, coming back to it, let's just explain this. So you guys understand exactly when I analyze how I trade gold, right? and I trade gold and USD mainly. Okay, I just take trades. If I want to take currencies, guys, like again, stuff. Marcellino is the one who trades currencies and is exceptionally great at it. Exceptionally great. So if you guys want to learn how to trade currencies, go straight off to Marcellino. He'll show you guys exactly how to do it. The only thing I do, um, oh, he shows. I see. Oh, I understand. He puts this on because the profits are too bright. The future's bright. Bro, I see you guys. No, I see. No, I hear you. So breaking down the strategy, how exactly do I trade gold, guys? It's very simple. The market move with impulses, right? The market is either impulsing very fast, one direction, right? This is exactly how I trade gold. Either impulsing very fast, will you give us a new session trade? I'm gonna give it trade. I'm gonna see if it's a trade, right? Exactly. If it's a trade, I'll take the trade. If there's no trade, I don't take the trade. And yeah. So I'm gonna explain to you guys my strategy. Either you guys, do you want me to just trade and not teach you guys? Like, what do you guys want? Like, just blame it on the chat because I don't want to waste my time, man. What do you guys want? Do you guys want to teach me how I do it, or do you? Actually, have you relocated to Jersey? Yes, I have, man. I'm in Jersey. I'm in Johannesburg.
Josie.
Do you guys want to learn this my strategy, or do you guys just want me to analyze it straight off? Like, just go into my analysis and wait for it. Like, what do you guys want? Because I mean, I can just do that. I can just go straight into it and then it's done. Big Shack, the tappy tappy. Tap tappy. That's a tap tappy, my bro. If you know the tap tappy, then show it. Because again, what I do is I trade. Let's trade. Let's trade. Let's just trade both, brother. We want to learn from. We want to learn. Show us. Teach, bro. Okay. I'll teach you guys. Keep in mind, I will teach and then I'll do it on the chart. It doesn't mean I'll just teach you and I won't do it. I'm going to show you guys how I do it and then I will do it. Learn the strat. There we go. Yeah. Perfect. Even Marcy said, like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys exactly my strategy, right? And then after that, I will do it on the chart live and wait for my trade to play. You know what I mean? So I can see where the market is right now. Let me see how much time we have left. Let's go quick. Let's check it. It might just happen in front of us right now. So we're gonna watch this quick first. Let's just see what is happening here. The buy looks very close to the buys. Okay. So we're gonna watch it from here, okay? I'll watch it there. I'll watch what happens markets here. Okay, guys. Just wait for it. I wanna let's just do this analysis, man. I'll just watch out for this. I'll watch out for it. Okay. So when I'm trading gold, this is exactly what I do, okay? That's exactly what I do for gold. I look for either market impulsing in one direction, right? Is market impulsing in one direction, like big candles like this, bam, 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 or is market ranging? You know, so this is what I want to know: is market ranging? You understand? So you have to ask yourself the question: is market in the impulse or is market in the range? This is everything you need to have every single day in order to trade gold. Or let's just say this is exactly what you need to know to trade gold every single day. Like it's the most easiest, guys. It's nothing crazy. It's the most simplest. I'm not saying it's the best strategy. I'm not claiming that. All I'm saying is like if you want to know how I trade gold, I trade it in a very simple way, then this is what you need, right? You need to identify if market's impulsing in one direction or is it ranging first? That's the first step. Now ask yourself the question, right? Let's ask yourself, what is happening over here? Is market impulsing or was it ranging? Was it impulsing or ranging? Just answer it in the chat quick. Then we can move on to the next step. Is it impulsing or is it like ranging? What do you guys say? Let's hear from you guys. Is it impulsing? Impulsing, 100%. Right? And then after impulsing, we have range, right? There we go, range. Okay, perfect. And then we have a range. So now, right before, this is something happens every single time, traders. Right before a massive move in the market, right before the massive move in the market, a range occurs. Market usually ranges right before the market impulses. Doesn't make sense. So again, guys, it's very simple. Before the market impulses, again, the market ranges. You understand? So if you want to know, and this is very great to know, guys, if you want to know exactly, look here, you know what? Oh shit, but let's see. Yeah. You guys with me? Yeah. Okay, you guys are with me. Perfect. So if you want to know exactly before the market impulse, so you want to say, okay, you look at the market, you're like, you want to know, is the market going to impulse from here? It's going to have a big move, or is it just going to chill? You ask yourself that question, right? Then you answer with it. Is it, if it's impulsing? Nah, it's already in the impulse. But if it's ranging, I know there's going to come a big move. So I don't like to trade in ranges. I like to trade the impulse. So basically, look here. Check this out. Right before the massive move, right? You see this here, there was a little bit of a range here. And this is what I was looking at, right? This range here. Market range. The market closed outside that range, their range. Once it closed outside the range, right? That is when I was looking for a buy. And market went up, ranged again. Right? Once it closed outside the range, I knew it's going to continue buying. Not new. Again, I was, let's say, predicting that it will continue to buy with impulse. And it did. Do you understand? So that's what we're looking. So you look at the same behavior that's over here, and over here, it's happening over here. And this is the same behavior that happens over and over again, guys. You can see this over and over. When the market's trending, it's very beautiful, guys. Check this out. This is another day, right? Check this out. There's a range. Once the market closes above, outside this range, you see the market shoots in one direction. It goes with the range again, then it shoots in one direction. It goes with the range again, it shoots in one direction again. And it does this consistently over and over until it changes its direction. You guys see, again, you'll see this. You'll see it over and over happen. That's what happens until it decides to do a massive range like this, and then it changes direction. Do you understand? This is basically how I trade gold, traders. Now, when I see this over here, this basically means that, okay, what are the best time frames for your strategy? 30-minute, 15, and 5-minute. But it works on, that's for me as an intraday trader and scalper. But if you want to use it on a high time frame, you're more than welcome to use it on a different time frame. As you can see, guys, it does work on other time frames. If you look at this, check on the 30, this is in a 4-hour time frame, right? You can see there. Once it has a range, right? But it takes so long, man. You see, once it has a range of 4 hour, it eventually goes all the way up. You know what I mean? It has this, it does it all the time. So that's why I tell you guys, like, look, the way I trade time frame, remember after it breaks a FVG forms, you can enter from there. It's all backtest. It's all backtest. One issue I have is after it breaks the range, I'm not sure what time frame I should enter. Just enter on the time frame you're watching on. So I'm like, okay, I'm on a 5-minute right now. I enter on a 5-minute. You see, like, yeah, this is where I enter. This is exactly where I enter. So when the market breaks on this range, outside this range, and here, close outside this range, I enter in. Do you only use the body of the range, not the wicks? 100%. I only use the body, not the wicks. You'll see, like I'm doing it on the bodies, on the open and close right here. Right? I'm doing the close and the open right over here. So that means that That means basically I only use the opening closes of the candles, not necessarily the highs and lows of the candles, like the wicks only, because it's much more cleaner. You see, what happens is you draw the top like that, the market breaks out here already, it's already spiking up. You want to wait for a break here. It doesn't make sense for me personally. I used to do that and I burned my hands a lot more. So this is the way I trade gold. So now my question to you guys is, I ask yourself, okay, no, before I move on. The next thing is, okay, how do you know when to enter? There's three ways. So you know how to analyze now, right? You know how to analyze, that's done. The next question is, how do I enter with this market, with this strategy? How do you enter the market, right? There's three ways to enter the market using ranges. The three ways to enter the market using ranges, traders. The first one is a high risk entry, which I personally do like. I personally do like a high risk entry. I'm not gonna lie, I do like it, right? Because there's a saying like, sometimes, let's just say this. Sometimes I'll wait for a low risk entry, then the market just flies without me. And I'm like, yo, I watch money go. You know what I mean? Where and then eventually I got tired of that. I got tired of waiting for a trade and the market just goes without me making money. I'm a trader. I want to make my money. I'm willing to take the risk. So then eventually I'm like, I don't want to use the low risk entry. So the high risk entry is I wait for the candle to break out immediately. So meaning as the market goes, bam, spike below, I'm already in the trade. You understand? I'm in a trade. It's a high risk one. Let's say the market snaps down below here, right? I'll enter it. And then my stops can be in the middle of it. So then I just put on, I'll get to now where to put the stop loss. So simple, it's scary. Huh? So simple, it's scary. Oh, it's so simple, it's scary. Yeah, you don't need to have a very complicated strategy, right? So the second thing is, let's say a lower risk, a medium risk entry, right? Is to wait for a candle to close outside. Once the candle closes outside the range, whatever direction. So the nice thing about this methodology is, right, is that you're always prepared for both directions in the market. If market wants to buy, I'm able to adjust to the market direction and buy with it. So I'm actually trading the trend. If market sells off, I'm able to adjust to the sell and sell off. Most times, traders can't adjust to the current price of market or the current direction of the market because they're only looking for buy, or I'm only looking for a sell. So it's very hard for them to adjust psychologically to the actual price action, or let's just the what's happening in front of them. Trade what you see. So for me to remove that, I was like, you know what, I'll have a methodology where if market breaks up, I trade it for a buy. If it breaks below, I trade for a sell. That's how I trade basically. The next step is where to put a stop loss. Where to put a stop loss. All you do is once you have your range, guys, put on over here. This is how you place a stop loss. It's in the middle of the range. It's very simple. There we go. The 50%. Right in the middle over there. Right? So again, if I take a buy, this is waiting for the breakout, guys. Once market breaks up above over here, this will be for buys. And then I can put a stop loss. For low risk, you put a stop loss over here. For a bit of them, let's say you want to tighten stop loss, then you put it over here. You understand? So right now, if you want to be a low risk, right, you put it over here. If you want to put it over my high risk, you want to tighten the stop loss, then put your stop loss right in the middle of the range. And then you take it for a buy. How do you get your take profit? You would have to take the size of this range, times it by 2. The first take profit will be right over here. And this is my analysis, guys. This is actually my analysis. So here we go. First take profit will be at 4973. And there we go. Okay, guys, I'm going to enter. Let's see. I'm entering for a buy right now. Let's see. 2 minutes. I'm going to enter for a buy. Just give me a second. I'll tell you now. I'm going to enter for a buy now. Okay. I'll enter buy right now. Just give me a second. Take profit 2 will be right over here. That will be take profit 2 right over there. Okay. So like here. So if you want to be a high risk entry, you can get in right here right now, right? Then you can either put a stop loss here or put it right there. You see, that'll be your take profit, right? But if you want to be a medium risk, you wait for the close above. So I'm just waiting right now. I'm gonna enter buy now. If it closes here, I'll enter buy. And why would I enter my buy? Simply why I'm waiting for my buy is because of this here. I'm looking at this week is very big, bro. So I'm using this as a reference idea, this candle right here as a reference to see, okay, market can just close above this here. Then I'll enter buy. Okay, guys, just stick with me right now. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's go for the buys in. Let's go in for the buy. I'm going for buys. I'm in for buys right now. I've entered a buy right now on gold traders. Let's go. Let's see what's happening. In for the buy on gold right now on 5-minute time frame. Let's see what's happening. You can put your stop loss for low risk right over here. We'll give you 1 to 2. But if you want to have a tighter stop, you're more welcome to put it over here. But again, keep in mind, it's great to put a stop loss here because if it comes right back in, I'd rather want to be out. What's your lot size? What's your lot size? I use 0.5s. Okay, see. Come on, baby. 5, 0. There's still 0.18. If this candle closes right below under this area, then it's more likely to pull back. It's more likely to pull back, guys. But if it can close above here, above this line here, then it's gonna push up. Then it can push up here. But if in the next seconds, if this thing doesn't come up, oh gosh, it's gonna pull back all the way down. Okay, let's trust. Oh gosh, okay, let's trust this right now. Let's trust this baby right now. Let's trust this baby. Ah, man. Ah, man. Ah, man. Ah, okay. Let's see. If your stops is here, your stop is probably taken out right now at this point. I'm going to hold on my trade right now. I'm going to hold on my trade. I'm going to hold on my trade. Gold is melting. Is melting cells. No, I'm going to hold on my trade. I'm going to hold on, bro. I'm holding on my trade. I'm going to, should I enter? I'm in a trade. I'm still in my trade, guys. I'm holding on my trade right now. I'm still holding on my buys. Still in the buys. Still in the buys. Still in the buys. I'm still in my buys. Still in my buys. I'm holding my trade. There we go. There we go. Come on. Push. Now. That's the buy. Push that buy right now. Push it. There we go. Push now. Push it. Push. Push. Push the buy. Push the buy. Push it. Push it. In the buys. Come on. Push. Now it's time for takeoff. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. See what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying about. Push. Push. 10K. There we go. 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 10,000 up. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. You see? You see? You see? 13K up right now. 13K. 14K right now. Yes. 16. We're 16. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Hold. Hold him. Hold him. 18K. Come on. Push. That's it. 17. Beautiful. Nice. You see? You see? You see? I told you guys, you must have faith, bro. You must have faith, bro. You must have faith, bro. There we go. You must have faith, bro. You must. Like 18K, can we get a 20? Watch. 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 Now we're going. Oh my gosh! Woo! Stop it! Bam! Wow! 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 Do you see? Do you see? That's why I'm teaching you guys, bro. How this is exactly how to identify when the market's gonna have an impulse. You understand what I'm teaching you guys? Do you guys drop some W's in the chats? Yeah. Do you guys understand now? Like I hope like this is good reason. I'm hyped because it's a good reasoning, guys. Do you see 10-minute rule gonna kill us? No, there's a classic account, bro. Get yourself a classic account. Classic account doesn't have any 10-minute rule. This is exactly how I identify impulsive movements. Do you understand what I'm saying? When I teach something, I teach you guys that's how it is. I teach you guys that. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. I know like a lot of you guys talk too much nonsense in it, but like, bro, this is the way I trade, guys. How to identify impulsive moves, this big moves here, identify with the range. Well done, guys. Well done. Beautiful, man. Boys bought the $10 account though. I see. Yeah. Then trade the high time frame, guys. You trade the high time frame. You're more than welcome to trade the high time frame. Do you understand? Look at this beautiful trade. Like, what? Wow. Come on, chat. Did we enter the trade? Because I just got, yes, I entered the trade. Great trade, Shaq. Profits not the way. We can't do this. Profits are not the way. Profits are the way, guys. Profits are the way, bro. I promise you. Classic accounts, they allow you to scalp. They allow, there's no consistency rule. You can trade like how you want to. So trade the classic account, guys. Don't always have a negative response about, oh, we can't. There's a way, guys. There's someone on the stream who made 300,000 from Comit Capital. His name is Keith, and here his name is Trippy. He's one of our traders who funded with Comit Capital. So you can't tell me you can't make money from it. There's ways to make money with profit, bro. I know someone, one of our traders who funded, who already made about 1.6 million with us. 1.6 million rand with Comit Capital. One account. You understand? So again, and he bought a house. Not a house, he bought a car. You understand? So I don't believe that you can't make money with profits. I also make money with profits. You can't tell me that. I can show you on my dashboards how much I get paid from just trading prop firms, bro. So you can't say you can't make money with prop firms, guys. You beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful. Can we enter? No, bro. You can't enter right now. Like, why would you want to enter in the middle? Like, yeah, you know what I mean? Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. Well done. Now we're gonna say, well, do you guys want to learn more? Let's drop some dollars. Do you guys want to learn some more? Beautiful trade live on the chat, guys. Look at this massive trade called out on the stream live. Beautiful with the chat. Look at them going crazy. That's beautiful. That's it. The base community also. What a great trade. Check that. Beautiful profits. You know what I mean? W's. Look there. W's. There we go. That's it. What a trade. Up $1,400. Beautiful. Live on the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure to join our free streams. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Watch. Watch it, baby. Just watch. Yeah, Shaki, remember the Forex Finder? Yo, broer. Yeah, broer. Yo, broer. I remember them, bro. Hey, Masi. Gali. Gali. What a great call. There we go. There we go. Shout out. Come on, man. Come up. 1:4. Can we get a 1:4 on this thing? Almost 1:4. I also make money from platforms. I stopped. No, you must trade profit and live. Don't just trade live only. And don't only just trade profit. You must trade live, take the money from live, buy yourself a prop firm. From the prop firm, take the money from the prop firm that you make the profits, put it in the live, grow your live accounts. Live is boss. Just understand, trading live accounts are the best. Like, it's really great, right? I'm not gonna lie. Trading live accounts is the best thing because I can just do a draw now, like bam, bam, bam. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, what RR do you target when you trade breakouts? I trade like minimum 1:2, and then I use 1:4. They owed me like $2,000. Yes, bro. I know we made so much money with those guys, no? Like I remember with that prop firm, they were so bad, no? I had to fight them for $10,000, bro. Eventually they paid me only $8,000. That was my last paid with those guys. And you know, with that prop firm, I was But anyway, they were a bad prop firm. That was a very bad prop firm. That's why I can say Comit Capital is really a really great prop firm, guys. I'm telling you guys, if I can share so much, I can't share too many things with you, but the one thing I can tell you is that they really put in the traders before time. Take profit. You can close your trades, guys. Close your trades. Close your trades right now. Close. I'm closing my trades right now. There we go. Take profit, hit. There we go. Full take profit. Shout out to the team. Shout out team. What happened to them? They were bad, Gali. I ain't gonna lie. They were so bad. That team, that they were bad now. That's why I said I can see what when a prop firm is doing well and when a prop firm really puts a trader first. Like, you know what? The traders were saying to us, please, can you get consistency rule off? You know? We were sitting down thinking, okay, how are we gonna do this? And eventually, like, you know what? Let's remove the consistency rule. And now you guys are not in it. Before even was consistency. Now you guys are not even saying like, yo, well done, consistency remove. You guys don't say anything. Guys, just say thank you. You guys remove consistency rule. Thank you for allowing us to trade news. Thank you. Apologize for out last encounter. Apologize for out the last. Nah, it's fine, bro. I know you were on my case. I know you were like, you don't know. Again, guys, I'm very long in the industry, guys. I'm very long. I'm almost 8 years in the industry, guys. Some of you guys are only coming into Forex now by the new traders. And a lot of the traders who you guys are following, I was their godfather to growing them and making them the traders they are today. I've stepped behind the scenes. So none of you guys don't know who I am. So you guys are like, oh no, I just boycott trade, or this guy, I don't know who he is and stuff. I don't care. I always tell you guys I don't care because I make my money. Regardless whether you think I can trade or not trade, I don't care. You know what I mean? Like, again, guys, I'm just here to give you guys value. I don't make money from teaching you this thing. I gave you my strategy. So again, guys, why not just take it in? Always, yeah, we can still look for trades. You know what I mean? We can still look for the trades. And that's why I say I can see good traders. And shout out to Marcy. That's why I said to you guys, if I could really give hats off, I'll give out to three traders that I know personally. I'm not saying other traders are not good, no? There's 3 traders that I will tell you guys you can learn from. 3 traders. Like when I say I'll give my hats to these guys, I'm like, these are, I know he's gonna take care of you. The Godfather. Yeah, bro. I'm the Godfather, bro. Like, really, I'm the Godfather behind. Like, Masi, we can't. Must we close? Yes, you can close your trades. We're not gonna go there, you know. Like, but anyway, there's 3 traders. It's a Masi, right? And I know Masi is very good at currencies, guys. I still can't believe there's still traders like that, like him, right? And it's gonna be stuff one, and it's gonna be Wiseman. You understand? Okay, Wiseman is from my hands, you know. Wiseman is a trader and businessman from my hands and under me. He was with me, growing with me. And today I can say straight up, bro, prop firm, he's very good in it, very great in it. You know what I mean? So I see him also now. Before with Marcy, I never used to see him in person. Now I see him almost every day in person. I can see what he's doing. I can say now, okay, you know what? This is a trade I'll put you guys on. Same with stuff one. So guys, that's the 2 trades I'll tell you guys you can learn from. Very good traders. Go to them. Contact them if you don't know how to trade, bro. Contact them. Don't be scared. You need a mentor, bro. Even me, I had a mentor. I'm not gonna say, bro, my bro, who is a millionaire now, told me how he learned from you. My bro told me who is a millionaire now. He told me how he learned from me. I appreciate you still doing these live streams, bro. It's extremely helpful. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, man. Like, yeah, I taught a lot of people. Like, other day, no? There's other guy owns a car dealership. He owns a luxury car dealership. Wallahi. Wallahi, God's truth. I'm all lie. He owns a luxury dealership. Don't talk about they're selling Ferraris, like high level cars, right? You know, when I walked, I didn't even know he owns it. I walked in the dealership, and the guy got up, the owner, bro. He got up from his chair. And I'm walking in, I'm looking, I'm like, yo, I was asking this one of his workers, yo, where's this car, want that car, where's this happening, you know? And he said to me, you know what, you, Shaquille, you used to like be it, used to trade, used to do this. I said, yeah. Like at first I always laugh and no, I don't know who's that. He's like, no, 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 I know. He says, you from Cape Town. I know you used to trade live, you used to do this, you used to do that. And I said, yeah, that is. He said, I learned from you. And that's how, so a lot of people learned. I taught a lot of people very, very nice. I think Marcy set you up. He knew you were gonna bang the gold, No, Marcy is my brother, bro. I'll do anything for Marcy, bro. Like, I don't do anything for everyone, bro. I'm not lying. I'm very conservative. I respect people for who they are, right? I respect humans, but I don't give everyone the love like they must, like I don't give like I'm not like that. If I see a person is nonsense, I want to swear now, but I couldn't swear now. If I can see now this trade is nonsense, like Masi fights for his people, bro. Like I am not gonna lie, bro. And that was me. I used to fight for my people, bro. Like you know what? I fight for my people, bro. And Mas is that person. That's why I said like I could see the genuine in him, man. I could see the person that this guy, he really wants to up. And that's why I was like, nah, me and Masi, I think that's where we started going together. Like that's where I started growing a relationship with him. Because it's like I can see, man, it's just a genuineness, man. I don't want to do too much, bro. Like I don't want to do too much in my life. I don't want to try hard. Not too much I want to achieve a lot of things. I don't want to try hard with friendships, bro. It must be natural. You know what I mean? It mustn't be like, yeah, this bra, you just want to only talk trading. Oi, if you can't live a life, nah, of a certain lifestyle, don't try to live it, bro. Don't try to live it, man. That's my thing, you see, and that irritates me with traders. If you if you faking certain things in your life, bro, then bro, I'm not gonna be that now with you, man. Like I won't lie, I have no problem with the person wearing fake, but don't try to wear fake and and try to live a life on social media. And when I meet you in person, you're not that person. Do you see what I'm saying? That's my thing. Don't fake stuff. Yeah, so I don't like people like that. That's why you see, I never moves with a lot of traders. Only recent these years. Now recently you'll see with Marcellino, I'm with Marcellino, I've been with Safwan, I've been with Wiseman a lot. Because this is traders where I really can see now, okay, they really do the things they say. You know what I mean? It's not like they do things and they do it on social media, like, and then you meet them in person, they are a whole different person. I don't like that. It's not, I'm nah, bruh. I can't my family can't be around you. You know what I mean? Like, if my family can't be around you, then I don't want to be with you. You see, and that's my thing, man. Like, I'm being honest. If my family can't be around you and I can't be proud to say, like, this is my brah, and I do buzz with him, then I don't want to be with you. You know what I mean? That I'm being honest, bro. Because again, it's like who I'm associating myself with presents the type of person I am. Like, and that's it. You know what I mean? I'm just like that. I'm not the perfect person, also. It's just I try my best not to be. Shaq is a beast the way the clown that was throwing my guy sees hater we busy milking the ear while you salty Shaq. Please. Well done. We clean up the industry. Yes, that's what it is. We clean up the industry right now, bro. We clean. See my Gali. We clean up the industry, bro. It's really about that. You see there's a certain industry like now what we in, right. There's a point in time South Africa is really cleaning up right now. If you look at it, the traders are coming now and they're doing the things. How they doing the things? They're really really cleaned up, bro. That's how it is. It's clean up. Going bananas on the trade. WWW. Tell us when we're about to trade. And now you are a top ocean. Away, bro. Saludas. Salute. Away. So let's look at what else is there, guys. In the market. Let's see here. Just look at what's happening here. La 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 la. Look at Nasdaq. No! Look at Nasdaq. What the hell, bro? Nasdaq doing the most. Eh, 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 eh. Look at Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq, bro. Look at Nasdaq, bro. Crazy, no? That's crazy, bro. That's mad. So, guys, again, Masi will probably be on tomorrow, né? please join for him as well, guys. And Safwan, support each other. Be nice. Let's be positive. Look how this thing's switching up again, bro. Support each other. Is there any questions you guys have? Like, is there any questions you guys have? Just bought an account from the profits I made from the trade. Yes, yes. Totally. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Invest in yourself, guys. Invest in yourself. Is there any questions you guys have? Um, any questions you guys have? Also, guys, share the links, guys. Share it with a friend. Share it on, like let's build this community. Let's build this community, guys. I know if we can all lock in and build community, we can do it very nicely. Let's grow the community. It takes a community. One more trade. One more trade. Are you done? Are you trading or we trade tomorrow? Bro, I just traded, man. Showstopper DJs. I just traded. Just traded, my G. Like I can see how can we get confident when it comes to entering trades. How do you get confident entering trades? Okay, that's a good question. The first thing is that the first thing I would say to be confident in your trade, it comes down to understanding that the strategy your mentor taught you works by seeing it works live. So you see Safwan trades live. You see Marcellino trades live. You see myself trade live. Now you can see the strategy works, right? For like, just say you came on the stream, you didn't take my trade right now, right? You just saw like, nah, look here, this thing is moving liquor. Like you see that the way I analyze, I can't analyze like Marcellino, like he analyzed very nice, nah? But like, let's just do this in 30 quick. I mean, it's in a 4 hour, right? Like it's not right now, but let's just say this is like a pullback right now, right? Like I saw him do like this type of methodology, like I know I don't trade like him. I was trying to accommodate, right? But he will have like his things thrown on us. So every time I see him trade, he does this and it goes his way. So I'm like, yo, once. I say twice. Then I journal these things down that every time he does this, it works. So that builds a confidence in his strategy, right? Now, what I'll do is I'll go back test. Second thing, I'll back test. Now that's another confluence. Now you see me also, I take a trade here, bam, this thing is flying. And I just see it flying. Yo, first, when I started the stream, a lot of traders were like, no, this strategy, no, it's nonsense. And, now it maybe changes because I don't blame them because it's the first time maybe with me. And now like, yo, this thing actually works. And they're like, no, this strategy doesn't work. They didn't believe in it. But because you saw me trade it live, or you saw Safwan trade live, now that confidence in his strategy, right, becomes a bit more like, I become a little more confident. You understand? Because I need some proof, some evidence that it actually works. Because I mean, some people they go on Instagram and then they sell a dream, and then you like they say, "I'm gonna teach you the best strategy," and like it's the world's best strategy, but then it doesn't really work like that. You know what I mean? And then you not saying every strategy works 100%. No strategy works 100%. But at first, the confidence is gonna come from firstly seeing your mentor. You need a mentor. Don't wanna be self-made. I promise you, me and Marcy, we had mentors. Like we learned from people. We bought courses. Like, and we even bought courses from the same person, like the same group. You know what I mean? We're not gonna name anyone here. They don't teach like that anymore. You know? But there was this two traders that also had this course, and then we also bought both of us. I don't think we were at the same time we bought it, but we bought from the same people eventually. You know, and we were so invested in our education. Do you see what I'm saying? So the first thing is that what Marcellino did was what I did, was Safwan did, is we all went into buying courses or buying a mentorship from a trader. And once it makes sense, you need to get the right mentor. You know what I mean? Like now the nice part is we're doing it live. Before, it was a tatama chance. You just see him post a screenshot or his lifestyle. He never trades live. So you're taking tatama chance. So you're like, yeah, this guy's life look nice. He always make profits. Let me buy his course. And then you find out afterwards it's more some mess. You know, but now it's different. What we do is we're shaking the industry by saying, you know what? We trade live, man. You see, we trade live for free. Just come and see us. And now you can see, okay, you know what? I actually like the way Safwan trades, or I like Marcellino the way trade between them two. You know what I mean? That's the two mentors. Or Wiseman, you can see he also, but he doesn't trade here now, right? But between Safwan and Marcy, I actually like the way Marcy trades. I actually like Safwan trades. And then you reach out and say, yo, can you mentor me? Now your confidence in the strategy is a bit more higher because you saw him trade live with it. He made money live and you watch him a couple of times. The next step is to actually take the trade, the strategy, and backtest it. And when you backtest it, you see, oh, I start to understand it a little more. Now I'm well educated about it, how to use it. That's a bit more confidence. The next step on that is actually forward test it. When you forward test it, means you're trying to predict and analyze the market in a way that, like, you're trying to predict, but you're not placing any trades yet. Nah? You're just predicting. You analyze and say it's gonna go there, and you see how many times you get it right. Once you're confident enough in your study, in your prediction, name and shame jokes. Once you've done it, is my sister. Big shout out to you, my brother. You made it happen. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate it. Can you please explain why you took the trade when I joined? You were saying bye. I just bought. Thank you. I'll explain to you now. Much love, Gali. Top stuff. Watching a live trade can't be beaten better knowing you're not in it alone. Yeah. Now your gold setup is still moving. Yeah, I see it's still buying right now. It's like the stream. Guys, let's get the stream like up, guys. This is like for the trade. Come on, let's like for the Galis. Come on, guys. Let's do that. Thank you for all the knowledge. We're looking forward to the next one. Yes, I'll let you guys know. Much love, no? So again, guys, the next confidence will come from placing risk on. When you place the risk and trade goes your way, just having the confidence to say, you know what, I saw Masi do it, I saw Shaquille do it, I'm gonna do it. And that they slowly will build you confident to take these trades consistently. The next step will be to how do I take bigger trades confidently? It's going to come from having consistent small wins and having the eager and deep desire to say, you know what? Hell no, I can't make small profits for the rest of my life. I want to make money. And then you increase your lot size. And that's when you start making more money. Because you can make the same trade, but with a bigger lot size, you make more money. You see, so start off small, make it wins, make the consistent win. You're like, yeah, this thing is working. Build your confidence, and then you say, bam, lot size up, win bigger. Bam, lot size up, win bigger. Bam, lot size up, bigger wins, and that's how you slowly level up. It's a process you're gonna have to go through, and it's, you know what, you have to put your back against the wall and say, I am going, like I have balls of steel. Like, I promise you, it's still nerve-wracking at times. Like, even for me when I risk money, like crazy piece of money. When I say, okay, let's say, if I'm risking at least, say, 50. If I risk 50, I still get nervous. I still get nervous. It's still a nerve. Like, I'm not, like, if I risk 10, I'm not nervous. I'm okay. 25, I start becoming like, I'm like, I don't, not that I wanted to just work out, but I'm not at a point where I want to risk a lot of money anymore. Like, I'm building business and I'm training. So like, training is just extra now. It's extra money. So for me, it's like, I'm at a point in my life where training made things happen for me, what I really love. You see what I'm saying? Like, I like training, I love training. It's for me a new range. Yes. Yes. There's a new range. 100%. Someone learned something. Yay, 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 yay. Referee. Yes, there's a new range right here. Beautiful. So, for me, can you show us your USDT strategy, or is it the same as gold? No, I trade USDT a little bit different. I can use this on USDT, but I do trade USDT a little bit different. You know what I mean? So again, guys, long story short, hope you guys enjoyed the session. I really, really, really loved it. If you guys enjoyed it, just let me know. And then God willing, tomorrow, Masi will be on. And then you guys can enjoy that as well, because I know he's also missed the streams. Once you start streaming, you don't want to stop streaming, guys. I promise you, it's a really nice feeling. Yes. Look at this one. Yes, look at Nasdaq, bruh. Look at Nasdaq, bro. Guys, come on, man. Look at Nasdaq 30-minute time frame, guys. From this, yes, guys, come on, man. Whoever got in this, you're gone, bro. If you ever got this in, you're gone, my guy. That's a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. You're gone. You're super gone. Well done. And you know what? I used Marcellino's strategy on this. I use Marcellino strategy on this. You know how I got it? Come on, explain to you guys. Simple. You know, Marcy always uses this. This is what I saw what he does. You see how even I learned from him. You check what I'm saying? I learned because I trade my own way, but he trades NASDAQ, he trades USD a different way, right? So I like to see he does this, right? So he maybe looks for it's like he looks for structure, right? He looks for structure, he looks for high lows. So now you see okay, your market went up at high low high, high, low, high, low. I'm like, I went up, it probably must come back, respect these lows, and then continue going higher. So where's the last impulse up? This was the lot, this is not the last impulse, it was from here. So pull the foot from here low to the high, like that, and then wait for the market to come back into it. Look at the psychological number, you put it into here, you put it like this. Say like, okay, psychological, where can this thing pull into? You see, to 750. That's it. So you put 750, and that's where you must also be buying. See, so 24750, that's the buy area. You see what I'm saying? And that's why we always do for the buys on this one. That's why I'm gonna just help you pause my phase one. Well done. Well done. Understand? Can we get more of you on Discord? Yes, we will. I will have a lot. I'll be a lot more active in the Discord, guys. Commit Capital will be opening the Discord, guys. A Discord. We have a Discord, but we will be active from Monday in our Discord. In the Discord, we're providing free analysis on a daily basis, whole right through the day. We're doing education, providing ebooks, all the good stuff. This is not my fault. This is Marcellino's fault, guys. But this is his settings. This is his settings, guys. So you go screenshot it. You can remember this is a video. It's live. You can record it. You can watch the recording. Yeah, there you go. So there you go. Nah, you guys got it. This is the recording. Yeah. So just do it like this. You see? Ah, man. There's a small at the bottom. There's a piece at the bottom here that I don't think you guys can see. Back to gold. Let's see. Yeah, it's still in that range. It's in a range from here, man. I don't think that's not the range. Just wait for this proper range. This is a very small range. This is on a 1 minute. It's a 1 minute range. See, that's a 1 minute range. This thing is just flying, 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 flying. Well done, bro. Okay, guys. Again, peace, love, happiness. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The mentors, Shakil, Samai, signing out over here. I'll see you guys soon, eh? Bye, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers, traders, eh?